Hi everybody, this is TheNinthWave once again, and I'm going to show you today how to make a default replacement easel texture. Well, not the actual easel, but the paintings that they paint in the easel. These are like the paintings that they go when they practice painting. Of course, it's not the custom paintings, because that's just a custom painting, like a picture that you put in there. And it's not like the pictures the portraits they do, because that's like a view from the in-game camera. But it's like I'm talking about like the paintings that they paint when they start practicing. So kind of a prerequisite tutorial to watch would be one of my earlier tutorials that I did like earlier today, about default replacement textures. So anyway, so go ahead and open SimPE and go to File, Open, and go to C, Program Files. Now this is how it is on Windows 7. I've never tried like Windows 10 or 11, so I don't really know if it's any different as far as where things are located like this, but I'm pretty sure it's the same. So go to C, Program Files, and then go wherever your game is located. It might be EA Games, it might be Mr. DJ, it might be like Origin Games, it might be something like that, but go to wherever your games will be located. So my games are located in Mr. DJ, so I'm going to go there. Sims 2 Ultimate Collection, The Sims 2, TS Data, Res, and I'm going to go to Sims 3D, and I'm going to go to Objects 07 to start off with. And sometimes it takes a little bit of searching to find exactly what you're looking for. I think it might be called Accessory something. We'll see. No, I don't think so. But let's see. I'm going to scroll down and see if I can see it. Probably Easel or something like that. Easel painting, something like that. I don't know exactly what it's called, because it's been a while since I did one of these. But if they're not sorted by alphabetical order already, you can press name at the top to sort them in alphabetical order. And I figured that out the hard way, because one time I was looking for something and it wasn't sorted in alphabetical order, and I just spent hours looking for it. I didn't know you could just press it at the top. Okay, yeah, easel painting. Here we go. Okay, now you want to check on the ones that have a 0 in the file name. So, like, see, 0 is the largest one, and then 1 is a little bit smaller. So we want the ones that say 0. So we're going to go down to the image and right click on it and do export. Now we should only need to do one of these in this part, because they're all the same size. So save it to a folder on your desktop called Meshes, if you don't already have one, where you keep all your working projects. And go ahead and save that. Now we don't need to really save all these different easel paintings, because we're going to default replace them, and they're all the same size, like I said. So we just need this one big size, this size 256 by 256 is all we need. So go to File, Open, and go back to your game directory, Program Files. In my case, it's Mr. DJ. Where is it? Mr. DJ. Sims 2 Ultimate Collection, Sims 2, TS Data, Res, and now you're going to open Sims 3D, and now you're going to open Objects 06. Okay, now click where it says Texture Image, TXTR, in the resource tree, and it's already sorted in alphabetical order. I don't have to press name, so I'm going to go down till I can get to the easel painting again, easel painting textures. And also, if you do it this way, if you follow this tutorial, there's a whole lot of textures in all the games that you can go through and do depart replacements for. You don't have to just do easel paintings. Like I did a depart replacement for the leaves one time, the leaves that fall on the ground. I made them brighter. You can do anything you want. Okay. Easel, yeah, easel, okay. So easel canvas, that's not what we want to work with. We want to start with easel painting clown romance. So where it says easel painting clown romance, click on it and then right click on it and do extract and save it to your meshes folder. And just press save. And then the one below it, do the same thing, extract, save. The one below that, right click, extract, save. The one below that, right click, extract, save. The one below that, right click, extract, save. And there's quite a few of them. You just have to keep going through each one, right clicking it and extracting it and saving it. And these are all the paintings that increase with their skills. Like I said earlier. And just go through each single one. Whoops, not replace. Extract, save. And that's the last one, extract, save. You don't have to do easel paints, because that's just the paints in the easel. Okay, now go to File, New, and right click in the white part of the resource list and click Add. Now click down on this drop down thing, click go down to where it says All Files and click press Control on your keyboard and then click all the plain white pieces of paper icons. You don't want to click the ones with the world and the lines on it, so try to avoid those and just click the plain white pieces of paper. Just get all the plain white pieces of paper so they're multiple selected. And don't select the textured clown picture. You don't have to do that. We're going to work with that with actual putting our texture on the easel pictures. Okay, and then after you have them all selected at the same time, click Open. Okay, now minimize that and go to your meshes folder and open your easel picture in GIMP or whatever image editor program you want to use. And you can put in here any kind of picture you want. Any kind of picture you get off the internet or whatever. Just make sure that it's it is exactly the size 256 by 256 pixels wide and high. It can't be any bigger or any smaller than 256 by 256. So it has to be exactly 256 by 256. Or you could just like color on it or whatever. You know, like just bucket fill it and just make it however you want. Make it your own artwork. Like something like that was kind of modern, like it. I don't know. But yeah, you can put any kind of picture, any kind of image in here you want, but always, I can't stress enough, you have to keep it 256 by 256. Now, if you're not working with an easel painting, if you're working with something else, you have to keep it the size of the original. In other words, like if you're working with something that's size 512 by 256, it has to be 512 by 256. You know, you can't make it, well, you can make it bigger, but it has to be in the size range, you know, of some textures, which are like usually like 128, 256, 512, 1024. It has to be in those dimensions, you know. But you should make it like if it's equal like that, like 256 by 256. If you want to make it 512 by 512, you can, but I wouldn't. But you shouldn't make it like 256 by 1024 or 512 by 256. You want to keep them even like that. So anyway, so we have our new texture. So we press save to that, and it changes that to that. Now open back SimPE, and you can right click on one of the easel pictures and do build DXT, and in the levels box we're going to change it to something higher than what it is. It's 9 right now, and we're making a bigger image, so it's going to be like put in like 12. And format is DXT3 and sharpen is none. So open your edited picture and press commit and OK. And just go through each one, changing the easel picture to whatever you want. So like when they paint, it's going to look like this. It's going to be a red and white like modern art picture. So just change each one to whatever your pictures are, and then you can go to file, save as, documents, and I'm not going to save it for real, I'm just going to show you where to save it. Documents, EA Games, The Sims 2, downloads, and you give it a file name and save it, and that's it. That's how you made a default replacement easel texture. And I hope you enjoyed watching, and I hope you learned something, and thanks for watching. Goodbye.